So we're going to look at Classnote when you're using the app. I'm in Teams, so I can click on the Class Notebook right here. Classnote will work within Teams. It's embedded in there. It's better to open in the browser or the app. So we're going to take a look at working on it in the app. First time you use it, you might have to download it onto your computer. This is the locations of the three things in the app, being the sections, the pages, and the workspace. The sections are loaded up here. The pages are over on the right here. And the workspace is right here. So let's look at sections. Overall, there's three of them. There's the collaboration space where the students and I can work together. We can create documents, we can delete them, we can modify them. We have the content library, which is sections that I create. Students can see them, but they cannot modify or write on them. And then the third one is each student has their own folder. It's private between them and myself, so they don't see each other's. The content library, what that is I often just push out, I create things and I can push them out to the collaboration space or to the student folders. The biggest difficulty I see is a student will be in the content library and will not be able to write when they're supposed to do something. And this is just my starting point, my protected space. This is going to be something important to look at. This shows I'm in a content library. And the biggest thing you'll use a lot is you will use the green arrow to go up and navigate. Now I have my overall collaboration space content library and my individual folder. Kind of a summary of each one is the collaboration space is where students and I can work together. The content areas where I can put information, the students can see it, but they cannot modify. And then the individual student folders where they only see their own and I can see. The pages are located over here. You can click through them and they pop up in the workspace. If you're going to create a new one, you can click on Add Page. You can also right-click on them and delete them, copy them, make new ones. You can make this smaller if you want to make your workspace bigger by putting this over here. So that's the pages. They're located over there within each section. So let's look at the workspace. If I'm in Power and the student is in the reflection, I have them fill that out. They can just click in the document and type their response. If you're wanting to make a new page, I would go over here and you'll see it shows untitled page. Once I go up here, this is where you will create the title for on the side. So one of the things I'm creating for the students is famous failures. It's now changed over here. I'm going to delete that untitled page. And the workspace allows you to write many different options. If you go home, not literally home, you might be there already, is you get your different tools such as changing the font, bolding, underlining. You can just start clicking and it creates a text box for you. And these are easily draggable around so you can move information. This also gives you the ability to insert documents by file attachments or a file printout. So you can put PDFs in here. You can also add pictures. Kind of some neat features is you can record a video or record audio and it automatically embeds it in this section. If you were to put a picture in here or file, the nice thing is you can drag these and put captions next to it. of course, you can go back to Teams and post a question if you have any questions about this.